Good morning mga kabrad. Kailangan ba natin ang ROTC? Okay, so based sa ating Commonwealth Act number 1, the preservation of the state is an obligation of every citizen. Okay, in terms of ating security, freedom, and ating independence. Okay, sinasabi yan na it is an obligation of all citizens, no, regardless of age and sex, no, na to protect the preservation and sovereignty and independence of the Republic. Tinuturuan po natin ang ating mga ROTC cadets para magiging disiplinado at maging responsable na mga citizens dito sa ating Republic, no? That they have know how to value the nationalism. At ang sinasabi naman ng ating 1987 Philippine Constitution that the primary duty of the government is to serve and protect the people, and the government may call upon the people, no, to defend the state and in fulfillment thereof. So kung tinatawag tayo, no, ng ating gobyerno, so dapat doon tayo palagi. Sinasabi yan sa ating Philippine Constitution. So the AFP, no, shall compose the Citizens Military Armed Force. So siya yung nag-develop ng Citizens Armed Force natin. Kasama yan yung Reserve Force, no, yung ating ROTC. No? So to undergo military training service, no, as provided by law. So ganun ang sistema natin. So kaya sa Republic Act 77.7, sinasabi naman dyan, no, na it is an act to provide the development, organization, training, administration, and maintenance of utilization of the Citizens Armed Forces of the Philippines. Okay, so ito yung trabaho natin na develop natin yung ating mga kabataan natin, no, para maglingkod din sa bayan at may training sila, handa sila, no, hindi lang sa times of war, pati na rin sa ating mga disaster response, no. Tinuturuan sila ng first aid, no, paano tumulong pag may mga tao na kailangan ng first aid, at saka mga sakuna, no, ng ating calamities, disaster response, no, tinuturuan natin kung paano maging handa sa mga ganyang bagay, at lalo-lalo na sa defense sa ating state, no. Tinuturuan natin kung paano magdipinsa. So malaking tulong ang ating ROTC sa ating bayan. Okay? So, laging handa tayo palagi, no, sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga Filipino youth, no. So, dapat sumali tayo sa ROTC program sa ating NSTP, no, so National Service Training Program, Republic Act 9163. Andiyan nakasaad, no. That is one of the three components of the NSTP law is the Reserve Officers Training Corps. Okay, so maraming salamat and God bless everyone.